Oh, yes. Back again with another one. All right, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel me now? We have been on a nice little streak here when it comes to these videos. Before we even get into this video, please go ahead and smash that like button and follow me on all the socials. That means the Instagram and the Twitter. Check me out over there at ImChrisBriggs. Also check out the family Instagram at ImChrisBriggs too. Look, everybody gets a follow back. Look, I like to be interactive with all of you guys because you guys are more than just subscribers. You guys are the family. And I'm not gonna lie, I got blessed with a free pair of Iversons. A free pair of Iversons. Listen, if you guys don't know about the questions, bro, the red pair and the blue pair, I believe it was the red pair, which that man sauced up. He mixed up Michael Jordan, who you know crosses up Michael Jordan, who you know is a rookie in the league, just comes out the cut and just starts crossing up MJ. That's Iverson for you. I already have a pair of Iversons in the back, the Answer 4, which is a dope sneaker, bro. I've had this sneaker for years. I picked this sneaker up, I think I was a sophomore in high school, and it still looks gorgeous. It still looks great. Still is holding up nicely. I said in the video, listen, if you check out the video on the channel, look up my Reebok Answer 4 Iverson review. There is a young Chris Briggs, you feel me, with all types of hair on his head, reviewing this sneaker outside. So the sneaker that I picked up for free was the Allen Iverson. The Allen Iverson. Answer 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm going to keep it a mil trill. You feel me? This sneaker right here. Oh. It wouldn't be a video if I'm not dropping sneakers. This is a classic sneaker, and this sneaker is going to be an acquired taste for a lot of you guys. When it comes to sneakers, and also when it comes to my sneaker collection, I like for stuff to be versatile. I don't like to just wear the same thing. For me, you guys already know, it's never just been Jordans. You should be appreciating this sneaker, bro, because when Iverson was in his heyday, I was real young during that time, so I don't necessarily remember, but from what people have told me, people used to walk around dressed like this man. Like, people used to walk around with armbands and wristbands and headbands. Watch the movie You Got Served. Them boys is wearing actual headbands like they about to go hoop. But they not hooping in the movie. They spinning on their head. Where you think they got that from? AI. Actually, I saw AI in person. I'm not gonna lie. Working at a sneaker store. Saw that man, Allen Iverson, in person. Looked that man in his face. Looked that man, Allen Iverson, in his face like this. Like, wow, that's Allen Iverson. And you know what? I didn't say not a damn thing to him. I looked him in his face. I did not help him at all. I let somebody else help him. The quality on this sneaker is fire. That's the thing when it comes to all Iverson shoes. The questions and the Answer 4 is also. Quality is just always on point. The leather quality is always plush, and that's one thing that you have to say about Reebok. Reebok doesn't cheap you out when it comes to the quality. But when it comes to the sneaker pick up for today, I got lucky. I got blessed with a free pair of Iverson Answer 5s in this OG stealth black colorway. Listen, a review will be coming soon and an on foot will be coming soon. I need you guys to go ahead and stay tuned for that. Yeah. Yeah. This man Jeremy picked up the hyper adapts. This man Jeremy really picked up the hyper adapts. If y'all don't know what the hyper adapts are, these bad boys self-lace themselves. A very interesting shoe. We got to get into a lot. We got tons of stuff we have to get into. I definitely do appreciate y'all. Listen, the grind ain't gonna ever stop. The grind just gonna keep going. Thank y'all for watching as always. Signing out.